Hi.
Nijowa. This life. So Gunni is gone, just like that. Hey! I guess her daughter will be staying with you now.
There's nowhere else for her to go.
Martha, you sound as if it's a burden.
Ahunna, don't put words in my mouth. Biko. Eh? After all, how many times did Ugone come to visit home when she was still alive?
She is dead. And she was your sister. Let her rest in peace.
Am I holding her? Eh? Here. Oh! After all, the dead are always right.
Everybody knew your relationship with her wasn't that beautiful. Probably that's why she didn't come home regularly.
Hey! Mata is the problem as always. Alele! Hi!
Maybe for once you should just stop thinking about yourself and think more of the little girl outside.
Hold it there! Enough! Biko, enough! I will not condone any insults. This is my house and I'm mourning my sister. Biko kwa?
Your father's house, you mean? I may not understand English very well, but I know that that word you used was not what you wanted to use. And it's not correct. Osino, condole.
Okachamara. Okachamara, leave my house. Eh, Silo, leave my house.
So Bwadiro.
Leave. Kawa, leave here. When they were making others teachers, like me, I'm a professional teacher. That's who I am. Where were you when they were making your mates teacher? You know it all, Akwaya. The word you wanted to use is not this one. Come and tell me the right word. Go and teach your children.
Are you going to sleep outside?
No, ma.
Eh? Who is your ma? Do I look old to you? Can I give birth to you? Eh? Why are you looking at me as if you're dumb? Eh? Can I give birth to you? I'm asking you. Do I look old?
No.
Thank you. Auntie, that is what I am to you and nothing else. Inugo?
Yes, auntie.
Good. Go inside. Go inside before they will say that Martha is a very wicked person that left her niece, chased her niece out of the house. You go inside though. Now take it and put the batteries yourself. That is called Okunepa.
No electricity. Wow.
Why are you struggling with it?
I've done it.
Good. Turn it off now. You hang it up there after the day. Very early in the morning every day. Come out and turn it off. I don't have money to waste on batteries.
Alright, auntie.
Good. If it's for this lamp, you can use it inside your room. This smoking lamp. Choke there is your business. Inugo?
Yes, auntie.
Hey! Chimo! Cockroach! Cockroach! Kill it now!
She's afraid of cockroaches. How can an adult be afraid of cockroach?
Why are you standing like a statue? Kill it! Hey, where are you taking that into? Eh?
To get broom.
And you leave me here in darkness. In fact, give me my uncle Nepa. Leave this one here. Go out, you can get broom in darkness. I heard that children see more at night. Go, gawa, gawa, gawa. Hey! Mama. Ada obodo oyibo. Ada America. Hey! See beautiful beauty. After all this effort I make, one reef. Reef chaff. Whatever. Eh? I don't know why all these big words want to be spoiling my big fine grammar. One reef chaff will come out from this village and say that, Martha, I like you and I want us to get married. Come no pa. Ha! After all this beauty, nego the class. Eh? Nego the classy. Where is this girl? Let her come and pack all these things for me. Chizara! Why am I even wasting my time calling her full name? Zara!
Auntie, good morning.
Good morning. So, if I did not wake you up, you would have still been snoring inside there by 6:30 in the morning. Hey! Zara, it seems like you have determined yourself to make me a talkative in this village, okay?
Auntie, I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself, dear.
Why is she wearing makeup this early in the morning?
Now, carry these 2 gallons. We are going to fetch water. When we finish fetching the water, you carry one, I carry one. Okay? After that, you are on your own.
Oh God, no water too. And how can I carry this big gallon?
Listen, I don't talk twice, at all, to avoid slapping. Carry it now.
But Auntie, the gallon is too big for me.
It's too big for you at your age. When I was your age, I was carrying 2 of these gallons combined and nothing will happen. Anyway, I don't blame you considering who raised you. So, I wouldn't blame you. Carry it and let us go. Look, I will slap laziness out of your eyes. Carry it. Reef chaff.
Did she mean riffraff?
Move! Reef chaff. Walk. Walk fast. Walk fast. I beat hard.
It's okay, it's good now. You can see the white. I can see. Yes, it's good now.
It's my man.
Yeah.
It's very good.
Yes.
And the sound is even different.
Perfect.
Let me see what I can do.
Okay.
This one, my brother.
You for add small thing.
Manage it. Manage it. Let
Okay,
me
no
just
problem. See, they bring customers. Just be bringing customers for me.
No problem.
You don't
No
have any
problem.
All right. Ride safely.
I will.
All right.
All right. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
What sort of place is this? No light and there are mosquitoes everywhere. There is only one tap for fetching water and you have to stand in line.
Zara!
Yes, Auntie!
She is always shouting. God save me.
What is wrong with this matter?
Good morning, ma.
Morning. Let me help you with this.
No. I don't think my auntie would like that.
Do you want to see your neck bent? Or you don't have any plans of growing taller? Bunyem. Sit. Ndo.
God bless you, ma.
God bless you too.
Yeah. Who goes there? Eh? Zara. So, ordinary 25 liters gallon is difficult for you to carry at this your old age. Mama Amado, do you know that at my age, I was carrying 2 of this at a go? 10 times in a day. Anyway, I don't have your time now. I'm coming back to you. Ahunna, good morning. Why did you help her now, eh? How will I train her? She's learning. And how will she learn?
Why are you so wicked?
Hey! A peaceful person like me will be in my own house. And trouble will look for me in my house. Can you imagine?
You are the trouble. Everything about you spells trouble. Even a toddler knows that.
Hey! Ahunna, your head is made of carton. Do you know why I said so? Because you will leave that your miserable house and come to my own house to incubate my matter. Is it done?
Always speaking wrong English. I wonder what you teach those children.
Hi! If not that fighting you will spoil this my beautiful makeover. Hi! I would have scattered you. I'm done again. But no problem. There will be a next time. I will prepare for you.
You should really be ashamed to be called an adult. Look at the big jerrycan you gave to this small girl that is barely 10 years old. Do you want to kill her?
Respect yourself, oh. Respect yourself, oh. Respect yourself. If not, I will leave this makeover and scatter you. Have I ever come to your house to beg you for food that I give this idiot? Respect yourself.
For crying out loud, she is your niece.
I don't have time.
How will you have time? I don't even expect you to understand how difficult it is to bear a child since you have refused to get married.
Hey! Hey! So, if they call married people, you will come out with your broken legs. That's why you married. Is he a husband? He's not a husband. Abragadabra. With his trouser sweeping the entire village.
I don't blame you. I came to your house. But just get it at the back of your thick skull that if anything happens to this girl, the dead will not let you rest.
Go back to your improvisation husband. I did not tell you to come to my house. Go back to your improvisation husband.
Yes,
by profession. By profession. Come here. Come here. Come here. Let me tell you now. I am going out. And when I come back, I want you to feel everything that you see in that backyard to the brims. To the brims. I want you to feel it. If not, what I will do to you, what I will do to you, you will tell it to your children's children, and to your next generation.
What should I do? Maybe I should run away. But where will I go? She's the only relative I know. Mom and Dad are gone. I will have to think of ways of coping with her. So beautiful. I wish I can catch it.
What happened to you? I failed them mistakenly in school.
Can I see? Ouch, you are bleeding. You need first aid.
What's that?
It's the first treatment given to an injured person before taking them to the hospital. But do you know any place I can get a first aid box?
Oh God.
Why did you laugh?
Because I don't need any box. If you can get me some of these leaves over there, I'll be fine.
What leaves?
Those leaves. That one. Yes, that.
How did you know how to do that?
You're from the city, right? Because every child in this village knows how to use this. This is our own first aid. That's what you called it, right?
Yes. Can you teach me? That will be me. Please, you have to go back now. My house is just over there.
So your name is Zara. And you're the girl Auntie Anukirija came back with.
Why did you call her that?
No offense, it's just what we call her.
I don't like that. It sounds like an insult. And it's not good to insult your elders.
Sorry, I won't call her that again.
My name is Chizaram, but you can call me Zara now. Looks like we're friends now.
My name is Chidima. You can call me Dima. Yes, we are friends, and I'll teach you how to use our first aid. Maybe we can make a box for you too.
Thank you. Bye. Good afternoon, Auntie.
And where are you coming from?
I took a stroll.
You took Guinea? A stroll? I can see that the jobs I'm giving you to do here doesn't keep you busy. That's why you go around the village for tourism.
I needed to know this village better, since you're always sending me on errands.
Nem, what are you insulating? Am I a caricature material? Answer me!
No, Auntie. I'm not insinuating anything.
Or insinuating kana boya.
Look, if I press that your mouth, you know you're very stupid. I will clip those your wings and then you will not be able to fly anymore. Come on, enter and go and open that door for me. And I hope you filled everything. Like I told you, to the brims. I'm going to check it to know if it's on the brims.
Martha.
What is it?
Please wait.
What is it, Uche? I've told you that I don't want to talk to you. I can see that there's something wrong with your thinking members.
I think you were meant to say thinking member, but that's fine. I understand.
Look at you. Who are you to tell me what to say? What do you know? Ordinary mechanic. But mechanic's class is even too much. Oba repairer. That's who you are. And you're coming to tell a profession teacher by profession what to say? You say man. Hey.
I am other things you don't know about, just that you don't want to give me a chance.
A chance? Hey, Alile. A chance with you. Are we of the same class? Uche, stop delusioning yourself. Oh. We are not of the same class. Ha!
Class has nothing to do with real love. What matters is what I feel for you.
Wham! Thank you very much for that sentence. You know what I feel for you? I feel disappointment for you. That's what I feel for you. Leave me alone. We are not of the same class.
Martha, that is not nice to say.
Leave me alone. Go and follow your village girls around. We are not of the same class. Follow rich rafts. Nonsense.
Martha, please wait. Martha, why can't you admit my real love for you? Makagini.
Because you admit me to poverty. You are a poverty transfer window, Uche. And I don't want to enter your club. Biko, leave me alone. Leave me alone so that all my rich husbands will locate me. Biko kwa?
Martha, why are you looking down on my profession? Do you know I can take care of you?
Jagodi, you call your profession? Eh? Profession? Is your dupagima? Eh? Hi! I call it muzzle work. That's what it is. Teachers like us go after profession. When I say teachers, profession teachers like us, we go after profession. Eh? Is it that one that every time you be going around every morning, looking like a madman, collecting penny from people? Nah! No! Your own is not even that is a motor repairer. Mseno. This one is an oba tum repairer. Hey! Leave me alone. Biko.
I pray that one day you realize how much I truly love you.
Truly love you who? Moa. Truly love. How will I truly love you? Or how will I love you back? When you be passing people's Appian way. Didn't you see the main entrance to enter? You pass through Appian way. Come inside here. Hey, you steal people's fowls. This is your tactics of stealing fowl, okay? This is your tactics of stealing fowls. Onyoshi! That is what you do. That's why you're passing Appian way, my farm. Eh? Oba tum repairer. Imakwa love. Nekodi.
Were they quarreling? I wonder what he wants.
How, Chimo? Take it easy now. Do you want to massacre my head and spoil my makeover? Ha!
Sorry, Auntie. Auntie.
Mm-hmm.
Who was that man?
Which one?
The man that you spoke to earlier.
Otakodi, come out. Are you spying on me?
No, Auntie.
Then mind your business.
Auntie.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't mean to be disrespectful. It seemed like you were mad at him.
Hey! Alele! Zara! So just today I allowed you to touch my hair. We've now become mates, Abi?
No, Auntie, no.
You know what you do for me now? Give me 1,000 centiliters gap before I slap your face. Now!
Centiliter gap.
Are you still here? You want me to use this mirror on you and brutalize your face? Come back here. Nyem kombum. Nekodi. Get out. Neko shaga kobo.
What if she's not really related to me? Why else does she treat me like I'm evil?
As lazy as her mother. Maybe I should just chase her away. Not yet. I know what to do.
Bia, Ochicha. I have found a bigger and better task for you. Instead of gapping like someone that came out from Saturn.
Saturn.
Now listen to me. If you go to the backyard, there is a heap of clothes there. Pack it and wash everything. If I come back and I notice that even one is not washed there, I will make you regret why you were brought to this world. Inugo, I don't want to see Mufun Pikeri stain there. Inugo, now get up and go. At least that one will keep you busy for the rest of the day instead of gamping into the world. Nekode.
So like I wanted to find. Did somebody die? See, Uche.
Emeka, what is it? Can't I rest again?
Wait, for this hot sun, you call it. Wait, what you are even doing? You call this one rest? If this one rest, na high BP, because your mind don't go far.
I reject it.
I'm also rejecting it from you.
Emeka, you won't understand.
Is it woman affairs?
You know I don't womanize. You know now.
Okay. Talk to the Minister of Women Affairs. You are in the right office.
Well, it's about a woman. But this girl sees me as a ghost.
Sees you as a ghost?
Telling you.
She sees you as a ghost. Is she well at all?
I can't function anymore. That's the worst part of it.
Hey, we cannot function anymore. Engine won't knock with that. And a knocking sound with that. I'm telling you. But the good thing is, because it's a good news, because I felt you were planning to go to seminary school at the old age. But who is this girl that is giving you this headache?
Nah, it's matter. Matter now. The matter we all know.
Odoji's daughter.
Exactly.
Wait, is it that upon all the girls in this village, you did not see anyone to go and pick from? You go and meet that girl that is in second league. Even in the second league self, she did relegation. Na third league she dey go. No nah.
Emeka, what is the meaning of that?
No nah. Wait, see you need cleansing. I'm telling you, because hey, too bad. My own ministry now, I don't have department of baptism. I would have suggested, you go there. You just have to go to a church. You understand? This symptom has gone beyond what the ministry can handle.
Emeka, I don't blame you. I blame myself for telling you everything.
See, pick another girl from this village. I will personally do the finishing work. But you see that matter? My hand no did that matter. I am off it. Because
Emeka, I can't though.
You can't.
I can't pick another girl. Matter is everything to me. Let me tell you.
They say the stubborn flies walks to the early grave. You see that issue? My hand is off it.
Amy, I can't go.
I'm even almost about to leave.
They go.
But you paid me money for tire. So I don't know, is it the Tokumba or the new one?
The new one.
Because the money is the new one you paid me for.
I will fix it later. Bring it for me.
Mother!
My Zara, tell me, where are you going to by this time of the night?
I'm leaving the house. I can't stay there anymore. She's a wicked person.
No, she is not. Just like I said, she is only bitter. But with your love and kindness, we will change her into a better person. My dear, you have to go home. Okay? Listen, my child. Crying solves nothing. You have to be strong. And don't forget your dreams.
But how can I make that come true in this village? There is no electricity, no water, there is nothing.
Zara, remember you are an eagle. And wherever the sky is, you will surely soar. Don't forget. Come here.
Why are you smiling while you're sleeping? Ogineneme, has Ogugo possessed you?
No, Auntie. I was just dreaming.
You were just dreaming. You know that I didn't even ask the correct question. The right question here should be, I hope you washed those heap of clothes I kept for you before going out.
Yes, Auntie.
I hope you watch them very well.
Yes, Auntie.
You're very lucky. If not, what I would have done to you this night, you forget about dreaming your entire life. Nekodi, I wasn't even dreaming. Because go to your room. See the type of cushion you're sleeping on. Go to your room.
Zara, long time.
How are you doing? I thought I wasn't going to see you again.
I'm fine. Why do you have such a big gallon? Is it not heavy for you?
I don't have a choice. By the way, what's the name of your primary school?
Amoko Central School is the only primary school in this village. What do you mean by you don't have a choice?
I'll tell you later, but you need to go to school now before you get late.
It's fine, we mostly play there.
Why?
Teachers complain about non-payment of their salary, so they don't pay us much attention.
All the same, you still need to go to school. See you later then, ma.
Okay, bye-bye, Zara.
This is your uniform. You will be starting school tomorrow.
This looks like the same uniform I saw Dimma wearing.
Okay, Ozuko. Here. Don't come here and add drama on my body.
Thank you, Auntie.
Go inside and check it. You come out here and meet me. This thing now I'm doing is giving me a headache. If you were of good, it's you that will be marking this thing. It's in Potaka. You don't know anything. So go inside and check it. Go and come out here and meet me. Odaya. Reef chaps. Nemo. Hi. Beautiful. Mama. Hey. Though I wanted the tailor to take it a little bit lower, but it's okay. It's fine. Hi, Omaka.
But Auntie, it's too big for me.
Just the way I like it. You know why? Because you can wear this one for a very long time and you will not have to worry about a new one. Hey!
They will laugh at me.
What is your mouth meant for? Decoration? If they laugh at you, you laugh and even laugh longer. Okay?
Auntie, please, I'm begging you. I can't take this to school like this.
Oh,
please.
You are tormenting me, Sarah. This thing I'm doing here is giving me headache. And you're adding to it. Instead of you to be thankful, you are complaining. Are you meant to be complaining? In grace.
Okay. Can I take it to the tailor?
To the tailor? Okay, you started working now. Because if you expect me to use the money I am giving you that you bulldozer food every day, is a lie, yo. Unless you will work and get that money. Sieba Apobiko.
Auntie, please.
Zara. Chizaram.
Yes.
How many times did I call you?
3 times.
Thank you. Get out of this place.
Please.
Bundles yourself inside.
Please.
Bundles your... I said go inside. Go inside. Ignoramus. Get in. In grace.
I'm sorry they laughed at you.
It's not your fault. I will learn how to ignore them. They will stop when they are tired.
They won't. You'll always be their source of amusement every day. Something needs to be done.
But what can I do? I don't have any money, and I'm sure my auntie won't change her mind.
Don't worry. My mom is a tailor. I'll beg her to shape it for you.
Thank you, Dima, for being a good friend.
You're a good friend too. You helped me spell those words correctly so that auntie won't flog me.
It's nothing. Can we be going to school together?
Great idea. But my house is too far from yours.
Then we have to find a suitable location where we can always meet and go to school together.
That means whoever gets there first will wait for the other.
Yes. Deal.
Deal.
Have you gone blind or something, or you think your auntie Krija owns this road?
No need to be rude. I didn't see you coming.
Excuse me. We are of the same height. There must be something wrong with your sight.
I'm sorry I bumped into you.
Whatever, if it happens next time, I'll push you inside the bush.
So aggressive.
What did you say?
Never mind. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Is your auntie at home?
No, she's not.
Okay. How far did she go? Can I wait for her?
I don't know how long it's going to take her to come back.
Okay. I'll be back then.
Please, who are you? And why are you looking for my auntie? She doesn't look like she wants to see you.
You're Zara, right?
It's Chizaram to people who I don't know. Anyway, who told you my name is Zara?
Everybody in this village knows your auntie stays in this house with someone.
Okay, but you still haven't told me why you came to look for my auntie.
Easy, Detective Chizaram. I just want to be her friend, nothing more.
Please, what's your name?
Uche. I can see you're doing your homework, so let me allow you to continue. Could you please tell her I was there?
Okay, I will, Uncle Uche.
Alright, thank you.
By the grace of God, I shall win this battle. By the grace of God.
Auntie, Uncle Uche came here to look for you.
What did you just utter?
Uncle Uche came and told me I should tell you that he came to look for you.
Hi! Poverty ambassador. I have told that poverty person to stop looking for me. Let him leave me alone. Eh? And you're even calling him uncle.
But he seems like a nice man.
Hey! Come here. Come here. Come here. How many times did I tell you that you should mind your business? How many times have I told you to mind your business?
Just once.
Once is like a million times to me. You will tell me what you know about men. Ignoramus. Now, bundle yourself to what you were doing before. Bundle yourself to what you were doing before. He thinks like a nice man. Hi! Poverty hapukwa no maka. All these poor people coming to me. Chai, Alele.
Hello, Chidima. Hi. Why is Nani here all alone? I hope all is well. Yes, all is well. Okay, then let's start going to school. We are already late. No, I'm waiting for someone. If you insist, let me go. Meet you later in the school. Alright, bye.
I'm sorry I'm late. My auntie kept me.
It's fine. It's not been too long I came. Wow, your uniform looks nice now.
Yes, of course. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Let's be going, we're late.
so many grains. It's so beautiful.
You sound like you like it here.
Yes, of course. It's just that there is no light and water. My auntie is mean to me and my mom is dead.
Oh, so sorry about your mom. I don't like it here. I want to go to the city where there are fine houses, cars, just like America.
Have you gone to America before?
No?
Then how do you know what it looks like?
I watch it on TV. Tochi's brother has a generator and a television. Lots of children gather at his window. He's a nice man. He allows us to watch.
What do you want to be in future?
I want to be a lawyer so that I can wear fine suits and speak big English like they do on TV.
Uncle Uche, good morning.
Yeah. I brought you some firewood. How are you?
Motorcycle repairer. What are you doing in my house?
Nothing. I brought you some firewood. I saw Zara the other day carrying some firewood, so I felt I might help.
Hey! You felt you might help, Uche. Ifera nemede kwage. Eh? Are you not ashamed of yourself? So of all gifts, is firewood you bring to my compound? Hi! Poverty ambassador. That's who you are.
Why are you angry? I was only trying to help.
You were only trying to help. Did I beg for your help? Eh? Did I beg you? Nonsense. Who knows if you even put love potion inside this firewood? What are you doing? Eh?
Taking back my witchcraft gift.
Which taking back what? It has come into this compound, so it is mine now. Yes. I'm just doing it because so that people will not think, hey, Mata is wicked. But if not, I won't even take it.
Don't worry. I won't think. Don't worry.
You will not think. I don't care if you think I'm wicked. It's not your own wickedness, it's my own.
Bushman, wooing me with firewood. He cannot get me flowers.
It is my own now. Okay? I didn't beg you in the first place. Yes, it is my own because he came to this compound. Now you can leave. Ikako. Hey, come and take this your rope, oh. You're dragging it as if it's cow you're dragging. Tie your rope now before you tie on this wretched tire you have. You see? You see? See it? Take your rope with you. Now listen to me, Zara. I don't want to see your tiny hands on this firewood. Because I don't want you to push in witchcraft into my house. Inugo?
Okay, Auntie.
Have you heard me?
Yes, Auntie.
Thank you.
Thank you, Uncle Uche.
Hi. This heat will not even allow somebody to relax indoors these days. Mosquitoes are not even friendly. And nobody is doing anything about our transformer that got spoiled. Isn't it up to 3 months?
That one is for poverty peoples. Because my mosquitoes net drives out mosquitoes and peppers them. So, I don't know what you're talking about.
Everything for you is fight. I'm not competing with you. No problem.
Truth is like the sentry. That's why your mouth is leaking like baskets.
John. Anyways, I saw Uche bring firewood to your house the other day. Is it what I'm thinking?
Check with you. So you left your own house to come to my house and gossip. So that's why you came.
Please don't insult me again. Remember, you still owe me an apology for heaping those insults on me the other day.
Hey, Biko hapukwa maka.
Do you know how beautiful you look when you laugh?
When I laugh? Mbano, I know I look beautiful. Whether I laugh or I frown or I shout, the beautiful is there.
I'm not talking about this your color riot on your face. I'm talking about your real beauty. Your real beauty comes out anytime you laugh.
Comes out, and will you know what I'm talking about? Because you cannot make over. You don't know makeover, so there's no how you know what I'm talking about.
God forbid I do to my face what you do to yours.
Koburu, whatever.
I think you should give him a chance.
Did he send you?
I sent myself. Because you're my friend. It's obvious he loves you.
Loves me? Hey! How can he love me? He's not my class and he cannot maintain me. Can he maintain me? Can he buy one of my pancakes? He cannot buy my pancakes, so he cannot maintain me.
So you're now a car that needs maintenance, Oburia. Nobody is ever in your class. Nobody is in... What is that class that you belong to that you're even talking about? Kedu class, or...
Ngwa, Ahunna, go out of my house. Come and start going out of my house to your own house.
Oburie, always speaking wrong grammar.
Always speaking wrong grammar. How will you know if it's right or wrong? Are you in my class? You're not in my class. I am a profession teacher by profession.
Oburi kocheze final. Look, the only class you belong to is that class 1 that you teach at Amuku Central School.
You don't want to go, Abi? Ichoripo, stay here, I'm coming.
Teacher Wajata, I don't have your time.
Oh, you don't have my time. You don't have my time. Mbabiano, come here, Kamdoka Siage. Come here, Kamdoka Siage. You're coming to talk when a profession teacher by profession is talking. Go and tell him I don't want. He cannot buy my pancakes. He cannot buy my pancakes. Nonsense. The poverty. Poverty peoples. That's why you're bringing your poverty agent for me.
Auntie, good morning.
Come here. So you've started stealing my money? Eh? Amoeba!
But I don't know where you keep your money.
Then where did you get the money that you used to shape this thing?
Chidimma's mom helped me.
Onyebukwa Chidimma?
My friend.
Hey! Now. Eh? So you've started making friends with all these riff-taff children in this village? Hey! Alele! Anna brought you up in Akula Bandazo. By the way, who told you to shape this thing?
You did.
If you lie, I will cut your tongue and fry it for you. Who told you to shape it?
I'm not lying. You only complain about the money, which means I can reduce it without asking you for money.
Okay. So it is guy man game that you want to play on me. Okay? So it's guy man, okay, it may be logic. Abi? No problem. Since it's like this, you want to follow this type of path. You have to start bringing the money that you used to eat in this house. Or better still, you buy food for yourself. Because you know, you should.
Good afternoon, Auntie.
Who are you? Where are you from? Who sent you?
I'm Chidimma, Zara's friend and classmate.
So you are the Chidimma whose mother has the profession of shaping oversized dresses for the less privileged children in this community. Up here?
No, my mom is a professional tailor.
Mechiponoge. Profession tailor. Not professional. Ama me so. Eh? So it's easy. Okay, what are you doing here? What are you looking for here? Because I know that here is not a playground. Because I'm also playing that all these rich-ass children in this place know how to do. Why are you here?
I did not come here to play. I came here to read with Zara.
With Onye? Read where? Does here look like a reading center? Eh? Is here a school? What happened to your house? Is your house thinking? Eh? Anyway, Zara is sleeping.
Okay, ma.
Come here. What did you call me? Okay, Guinea. Ma. Can I give birth to a bat like you? Who is your ma? Nekodi. Hi!
Do I look old to these children, Biko?
Ikaku. Ikaku! Nekodi. Hi! So Zara now bring rich-ass village children inside here. They come and stand and vomit rubbish. Hi! Okwamma. So what the room? Next time he's coming.
I'm sorry she tongue-lashed you.
She's wicked.
Don't say that. She's only strict.
What's the difference?
A strict person isn't evil, but a wicked person is.
She seems evil too.
Do you want to implicate me? Open your book.
Have you finished washing the clothes I told you to wash?
I thought it was okay to sleep since you told Chidima I was sleeping.
Hey, so you've been eavesdropping up here? Why are you laughing? Am I crowned? Eh?
I'm sorry, Auntie. It's not eavesdropping. It's eavesdropping.
Hi! Alele! Eh? Okachamara? Zara, didn't your mother Ugone tell you never to correct elders? Or what okay?
But you lied. That was wrong too.
Only lie. Mama, Zara, come here! Come here! Come here! Zara!
They are always playing.
What do you want them to do?
They should read their books sometimes.
There's no one to teach them.
Yes, this is it.
This is what?
I want to become an ambassador.
Who is an ambassador?
An ambassador is a representative. And I want to be an ambassador of change.
Wow, that's great.
I need to start my duties now.
How do you mean?
We keep on waiting for tomorrow to live our dreams, when our future is now. Can't you see?
I still don't understand you.
Tomorrow never ends. If we don't start living our dreams now, we'll keep on waiting for the future to come when we already have it.
That's good. But how does that affect these children playing?
I can help the children in this village. In my school in the city, I was taught a lot of things which they don't teach here in this village. I can teach them the little I know.
That's a great plan. But I don't think your aunt will allow it.
That is if she finds out.
But how will you gather the children?
I will need your help. Stop fighting! Stop fighting! What is it? Why are you guys fighting? Why?
He started the fight.
Oh, you! You're lucky she came here. I would have dealt with you.
You do nothing.
Hey! Stop fighting! Do Don't you know that fighting is evil and unchristian? You people should be coming together to think of a way to create a better future, not fighting. I know it's normal for people to offend each other, but learn to tolerate. Everyone that is around you is there for a purpose, so be nice to them and make friends, not to be fighting up and down. What I'm trying to say is, stop fighting and learn to love each other. Okay?
Yes.
Now, henceforth, I don't want to see you both fighting again. You should invest your time in better things than fighting on the street. We are doing great, we are doing wonderful, but we need to take our learning to another level. We need to find a suitable place where we can learn, where we can concentrate, where we can isolate ourselves so that there will be no distraction, because we have to concentrate for us to learn. We need to build like a tent that we are going to use and isolate ourselves, where we can teach, where we can learn, where we can do all things we are going to do. We're going to stay there and teach, we're going to stay there and learn and do so many things, because this business of learning requires maximum concentration. Do you understand?
Yes. Make sure that you watch this thing within 20 minutes. I have a timer machine inside. I'll be timing you. Make sure it takes 20 minutes. If not, when you're done with this one, you go to the kitchen and pound the apple that will eat this dinner. Okay? Did you hear me?
Yes, Auntie.
Good.
Oh, da 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 da. She's an epitome of courage and wisdom, higher than our age. She's a shining star.
Now we go from here down to that tree. Then when we are done clearing, we'll build a tent, like a shade, that we're going to stay under while learning. Yes. You understand?
Yes.
She's an embodiment of knowledge, excelling even in bondage. She's a shining star. Zara is her name, her name, her name, her name. She's a shining star. Zara is her name. Oh, intelligent,
It's so beautiful.
Everything is beautiful to you.
But nature is beautiful. Can't you breathe in the freshness? There is one more thing I need your help with.
What's that? Are you crazy? Your aunt is going to kill you if she finds out.
She won't! Besides, she likes him, just that she wouldn't admit it. But the way she humiliated him the last time, I don't think he's going to come back without any form of encouragement.
We are children. We should let adults handle their problems.
But sometimes they need a little help. Just take me to his shop. Uche, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine.
Yeah, I can see you're reading.
Yes.
Hi.
Why are you here? Eh? How many times have I told you that you should leave me alone and don't come to my house? Into your pochiriki? Eh? Why are you here? Start going. Go out. Leave this place, Uche. Or you want me to push you? You want me to push you? You want me to push you? Ngwa, leave. Auntie, there's cockroach. Hey, kill it. Kill it. Come and use your leg and kill it. Come on, Uche.
He's dead. You're afraid of cockroach like this?
What is your problem? Eh? Are you not the one that brought poverty something inside this house? Anywhere you go, poverty things will be following you. That's why you brought it into my house. Because I know that I don't have cockroach inside this house at all.
Well, I'm used to your insults. I'm not surprised. Can you hear me out? I have something. I wrote something for you.
You wrote something for me? What do you know that you can write? Eh? Ordinary Obatumtum repairer. What do you know you can write? What is the crap you want to tell me?
Please, can you hear me? Please. Dear Mata, I don't know how to put this, but you're the reason I am becoming thinner.
Eh?
Because I no longer sleep at night. This is because the thoughts of you invade my sense. Everyone might think you're evil, but not me. Give me a chance to show you that even stones can be melted by the right heat. Yours forever, Uche.
Mechanic na Suibo.
Look at the rubbish grammar you wrote. Look at the rubbish grammar you wrote for me. Eh? A profession teacher by profession. Uche, you know that I've not been gauging your stupidity level since. Eh? I thought that it was low, but now I know that it's very, very high and you still have some inside of you. Eh? Look at you. I'm now sickness, Abi.
You're not, but I still love you.
You still love Onye? Arere, you still love Onye? Oh, I'm now a winch that is sucking your blood. Okay? I'm a winch now. Sieba apo. Biko, silo. Leave this place. Leave this place. Leave. If I'm a witch, what are you? Onye obiam. That is what you are. Neka trazayade. Where is that girl? Zara! Gee, Zara, jump like one more. Jump like one more. Come on, jump. Jump higher. Move. Next time you will not disobey me. Next time you will not sit on my table. Do you know what that table means? A profession teacher's table. If you rest, I will give you one just like I gave you before. Move. Get up and move there. Eh? Somebody came instead of you to announce the cockroach silently. You left it. You shouted, look at cockroach. I can embrace myself there. Eh?
This is so serious. Did your auntie find out that she encouraged Uncle Uche to write the letter?
I don't think so.
Then why did she punish you? They will laugh at you in school if you walk this way.
Because she's obsessed with punishment. And as for bullies, Auntie Martha was right. If I laugh back, they'll back off.
I wonder about this.
I'll be fine. Today we're going to talk about spelling. Say spelling.
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 Word number 1, cartoon.
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 Tune.
Now spell with me. C.
C.
A.
A.
R. T.
T.
O.
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 N.
N.
Cartoon.
Cartoon.
Now, who can spell cartoon without looking at the board? Okay, spell for us. Turn your back.
C-A.
Who else?
C-A-R-T-O-N.
Is he correct?
No.
Everybody face your front. None of you got it. You can see for yourself. Open your book and write cartoon without looking at the board. Word number one.
Word number one.
Cartoon.
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 Spell with me. C.
C.
A.
A.
R.
R.
T.
T.
O.
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 N.
N.
Again.
Hey, how are you? Are you going to that gathering?
No, sir.
But who is that person teaching over there?
Who?
The little girl teaching down there.
Okay, that's Zara. She thinks she's a teacher.
Why did you say so?
Because she teaches them.
Oh, I see. Okay, you can go.
I just pray more people join us because today's class was really awesome.
That's not important. What is important is that we are teaching ourselves and not how many people we teach.
Okay. I just pray that your aunt hasn't gotten home yet.
I pray so too. Let's be going.
Freeze like as a fridge and retrieve like a soldier.
What do I tell her? I don't want to lie. Auntie, good afternoon.
Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? Answer. Eh? Haven't I warned you how many times to stop roaming this village?
But I was not roaming.
Answer my question now. Where were you?
I went to study.
Arere. Hey! You went to study. You went to study. So this big house is no longer enough for your where? Eh? Hi, Mata. Mata, I blame you. It is my fault. I've given you so much freedom. Yes! That's why you go about the village. Eh? Parambulating. That's what you do. Now drop that thing in your hands. Go into the room and drop it there. Go out to the kitchen. Make sure that apple I want is ready for me whenever I want it. Get out of my sight. Get out! You want it? Stop looking! Eh? You want to fight me? Nekodi. Why is she looking at me like that? Hey! If you look at me like that again, I will skin you alive. Does she want to fight me or what? In my own house? Mban. Mata, you better wake up before this girl one day will throw you out of this house. Anyway, it's not possible. Is he on me again? Hey!
No, again. Invade. Hi! Eburu emia. Eh? Hi! Which I pity you. You're bringing broken English to a profession teacher by profession. Hey! I pity you. Eh? Look at Obatuntum English. English that he studied where? I pity you. I pity you because I know my work. I will not be moved by all this broken English. I am a proud teacher. Profession teacher by profession. Obatuntum, I pity you. Ha! This Okunepa spoiled, and I'm very sure that you condemned it.
But I didn't spoil it.
Pa! Michonoge, you didn't spoil what? Who did, me? Anyway, what you do for me now is to go to the village square and get a new one. If you like, you condemn it again. Ngwa.
But auntie, this night...
No, it can never be this night. In the next 600 years, you go and buy it. Because take this and buy me the exact one. Take it. Auntie, this night... Because what is it? Why are you running as if a frog is chasing you?
Some men, they were chasing me.
Some men, they were chasing you. Where? In this village. Listen, my dear, let me tell you. Before you came to this world, I have come. Tete. So don't think that you can come with your childish pranks on me. Never. It cannot work on me. They were chasing you. Give me this thing. Some men were chasing you. Where's my change? Eh? You did not bring my change. Hey, you have learned thievery. Up where? Give me the other one and get inside.
Welcome to our class, everyone. Our topic today is noun. What did I say?
Noun.
What did I say?
Noun.
A noun is a naming word. It is a
naming word.
It's a
naming word.
A noun can name animal, place, or things. It can name
animal, place, or things.
Who can give me an example of a noun? You.
A dog.
A dog is an animal, but the word dog is a noun. Who else? You.
Lagos.
Lagos is a city. She's correct. Give her a sound clap.
Oh, da 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 da. Ooh, ooh, ooh,
Contrajos. Eh? Hey, you are a witch. Yes, you are a little wench. Hey, you want to bulldoze my beautiful beauty, Okwaya? Eh?
Auntie, they are not contagious. They are all mosquito bites.
Hey, are you sure?
Yes, Auntie, I'm sure.
No. Here. Let's go. Mba. I don't trust you. My trust is not on you. Cha! Hey! Little witch. That's what you are. Anyway, it's even good that these mosquitoes have sucked all your blood just as you've been sucking mine. What the man? Go away with that water. Eh, come back. Come back here. You know what you do for me? Eh? Do you know? Good. Use nylon. Package your hands. I want a fresh water and a fresh cup. Kawano! Hey! Chineke mo. Keep it there. You know this thing, eh? You just look like somebody that has this leprosy. That's what you resemble. Chai! You know what you do? No more school for you. Biko, did you hear me? No more school for you until all this disappear. Biko. Before people now start saying, Mata is this one, Mata is that one, Mata Merenka, Biko. Did you hear me? One more thing. Boil me very hot water so that I can wash off your smell. Ninisi. You see, fresh water. I don't want semi-hot, semi-cold. Boiling water, that's what you boil for me. Come sapusi. Biko. Gawano now. Okuru nenem. Smell out.
What happened? Look at your body.
What are you doing here? You should be in school.
I waited for you at our usual spot. I had to go after you didn't come. When I saw your auntie in school and you haven't come yet, I decided to come and check on you.
You sneaked out of school. You shouldn't have done that.
They've not started teaching. What happened to your body?
Mosquitoes. There were so many of them in my room last night. I don't know how they entered.
Maybe your room was open.
No, I always close the doors.
You need to get something that chases mosquito away.
But you know I don't have any money.
You don't have to buy it. Just like our first aid, you get it from the bush.
The bush?
Yes. It's a leaf. The smell will make mosquitoes afraid of you.
Okay, see you later, Dinma.
Come with me.
No, my auntie said I shouldn't leave the house. I can only walk you to the road.
Alright, I'll bring the leaf for you later.
You mean you don't sleep under the mosquito net?
No, ma.
Hi! Matara joge. Obigi bokute mata. Hi! Come, let's go to my house. I will apply ointment on the bites. Very soon it will all clear. You know go? Oh?
No, I can't. My auntie will soon be back.
Let her be back. If she messes up, I will personally put her in her place. Don't be afraid. Kaije. Let's go.
Don't be a man. Don't be a man, it's not a job.
Hey, not true. Where is your To be a man is not a day job. Work don't kill me for here today.
Uche, I can see you have decided to choose peace of mind.
Amaka, the sun is too hot. Rico, you can see I'm walking.
Imabe, it's like your ears have not been unblocked yet. See, there are some girls waiting for me. That is what you are missing.
Emeka, you and women.
Me and women? You didn't hear that song? They say, this life I can't kill myself.
So, and I can't stop you.
Then allow me to flex.
Of course.
Have
fun.
Before uncle.
Yeah.
Before I go. Help me wash my shop. I want to close.
Wow, the marks are already fading.
Yes, Auntie Auna applied some ointment on them.
Now, you have to make sure it doesn't happen again.
What is it for?
Put them close to where you're lying down. It will help.
Thank you so much. Please tell Kamsi and the others that I can't make it today.
Alright, get well soon.
I pray so.
Move out. Move out before you give me what you're suffering from. Ha! It looks like all these things have gone out. That's why you had the liver to remove this nylon without my permission. Anyway, I forgive you.
Nylon.
You don't know how to talk again, Abi?
Thank you for forgiving me, Auntie.
So, what did you do to it that made you go?
Auntie Ahuna applied some ointment on them.
Also, no ointment. Eh? Where did she get it from? I hope she did not take it from me.
No.
So where did she get it from?
She took me to her house.
Guinea. Upon I told you not to leave this house. Eh? You still left and went to Ahuna's house to collect ointment. You're looking for who to die and put it on the person's head, okay? Because Shebapo, get her from here. Go to your room. What's no ointment? Here. Ahuna.
Kamsi, what did I say an adjective is?
An adjective is a word that describes a noun.
A sound clap. What is it?
I have a question.
Go on.
Is happiness an adjective?
Happiness is a noun, but happy is an adjective because it describes a noun. In the sentence, a happy man, what word describes the man there? Okay, Dimma.
Happy.
Correct. Give her a sound clap. Any question? Why is your face like that?
It's my mom.
Is there anything wrong with her?
No, it's not that.
Then what is it? You are alarming me.
She said my aunt is going to come and take me to the city. And she's going to come any day.
What about school?
She said she's going to register me when I get there.
I'm going to miss you very much. But you always wanted to go to the city. Or don't you like her?
I like Auntie Neka. It's just that you're my best friend and I don't want to leave you here. But don't worry. I'm not going yet. But even if I travel, I'll always come to visit you.
Let's go before my auntie comes back.
Reef chaffs! So when you see your elders, you don't know how to greet them, okay? Eh?
Why did you beat her? What did she do to you?
Hey! Ogwazo, what did you say? Eh? I will break you like Okporoko and send to your mother, Honna. Ordinary respect, she wasn't able to teach you. They are even holding books.
We have book because Zara has been teaching us.
Zara? Teaching? So this is what she has been doing.
Don't mind that. Leave us alone and Kirija. Can't feel back.
You see? Eh? Auntie Guinea? Auntie Guinea? Eh? Auntie Guinea? What is it?
Even the devil will be shocked at your level of wickedness.
Is that wickedness, Okwaya? One that thing you call a son, that's goat. You call a son.
Ogene. One question. What is Auntie Anikerija?
Thank you very much. Ask your son that question. That's goat.
No, you're not ashamed of yourself, Mata. Oh, because my son called you Auntie Anikerija, you came all the way to my house to beat him.
Yes.
One way no, one will make him Mata. Change your ways.
Hey, Ahuna, I don't blame you. At all, I don't blame you. You know what I blame? Poverty. Poverty has sushigogi brain. Your thinking membranes. Yes, it has.
What do you even have? What do you have, Mata? Is it the house? Or on again? When we get Mata, you are all so poor and very wicked. That's how you want to kill that poor girl that is under your care.
Hi, Zara. So that's what I've been telling you.
I want to find Guam. And I'm a fozo. Even every other person can see.
You know what? I don't have your time now. As for you, go. Ewu, I'll come back for you. I will be back for you.
One word, Mata, change your ways. Change your ways, Mata. When they tell you to go somewhere, it's all over.
I'm sorry I kept us. My apologies.
Hey! Judas Iscariot has betrayed Jesus. Hey! Hey! Zara! So this is what you do after bulldozing the food I give you at home?
No. Hey! Auntie, I'm sorry for...
No. You don't have to be sorry. You will meet me at home. Hey! Hey! So you're the one that has been telling those village reef chaffs to call me Auntie Alikere Chokwe?
No, I tell them to stop calling you that.
You people go to that your native doctor's shrine to gossip about me, Okwe?
No, I'm only teaching them. We don't talk about you. I'm telling the truth.
Nne, I accept it. I am Auntie Alikereja. And I will show you Auntie Alikereja style. Don't worry. Open your eyes and watch film. Mechage. Okwefoge. I will pepper you.
God, please save me. This is the third time she's eaten today, and I'm yet to have breakfast. Oh God, I'm so hungry. How long will this go on?
Well, this one come. He bought me mineral and sausage today.
You know, say we never chop since morning. So, Mark will just use that.
But it's unlike you. Anyway, come on. Are you serious about what you told me?
Very, very serious. My mother needs to see her grandkids before joining her ancestors.
Oh, Ezeko.
Check any and it's really disturbing me.
Because you don't deserve that mad woman as a wife.
No, I don't think she's mad.
You don't think she's mad?
I don't think so.
Which normal, sensible man will go and end up putting somebody like Matters in his house as a wife? Somebody that even in the village self, she is still local inside the village. See, I don't want this matter issue to spoil my mood Look, this... By the way, when is the introduction day? Because I can't wait to test wine.
In 2 days.
2 days?
Yes.
Look at somewhere like Obiagili. Look at everything standard. Chassis. That's wife material. I'm happy for you. Take cheers. In as much as it's not wine, you can still cheers.
You know it's
my wife. It's the film, man. If matter. Stand. Obiagili stand. Will you compare the two? It's like you say you go carry Rivers United put for line, carry Barcelona put for line. Can you compare the two?
They go flog them.
So, at least, no wonder. No wonder you call buy me drink. So like you.
Please, Auntie, I don't have anywhere to go, please.
Oh, you don't have anywhere to go? Did you remember that when you took my food without permission? Mba, did you remember that when you sent those roof chaffs to call me Auntie Alikirija?
I didn't send them.
You did not send them. Don't worry. When you sleep outside, fresh oil will enter your head. Now get out. Move back. Move back. Go out. Neck all day.
Trouble comes my way. They cannot pull me down. Walk one day for number. And they call me Zara. Walk one day for number. And they call me Zara. I am Zara. I cannot be stopped. So I am Zara. I cannot be hindered. Oh, I am Zara. I cannot be stopped. Oh, I am Zara. I am a shining star. Kizaramo. I cannot be covered. Kizaramo.
What are you doing here?
Why are you hell-bent on destroying yourself?
Okachamara, leave me alone.
Listen, Mata. I will leave you alone. But if anything happens to my daughter, you will have me to contend with.
Oh, please don't talk like a saint because you're not. You're a very wicked woman. And your job has always been to intimidate me. You snatched my place in the life of our parents. They took you to the university and they left me behind. As if that one was not enough. You started carrying your shoulders like a peacock everywhere just because you got married. Hi.
Mata, I have watched you gradually take sips from the cup of bitterness. Now you're beginning to gulp down the whole content. Listen, my dear. Bitterness chokes. You better stop it now, before it's too late.
What type of a dream is this one again? Oh my God, this girl is still outside. Hey!
Sarah!
Sarah! Sarah! Sarah! Hey, where is this girl gone to? Sarah! Sarah, are you here? Help, Chimo! Where is this girl gone to? Sarah, Kevin, no! Hey! Oh my God! Hey! What am I going to do? Sarah! Hey! Hey! Sarah! Hey, where am I going to go from here, eh? Sarah! Kevin, no! Hey, Ugonne, I'm very sorry, oh. I'm very sorry I've lost your child. Eh? I don't know where she went to. Hey, God. Jericho, what if those rich chaps have kidnapped Sarah? What am I going to say? Ugonne, forgive me. Forgive me, oh. She was just here. She was here sitting down. Now I came out. I cannot find her again. Sarah, get me, no. Eh? Hey. Oh. Sarah!
So you mean you left that girl hungry and chased her away?
Please,
I'm so sorry. I'm very sorry. The problem now is that I can't even find her. I don't know where she has gone to. I don't know if she has been kidnapped. I don't know where to find her.
The mean. Ijoka. I
agree. But all I pray for now is just that I find her. And I swear I'll not be wicked in this world again. Where will I find my Zara?
When I was telling you, Mata Zukwenike, you refused. Ifria, you better pray, oh. Keep praying and pray very hard that you find her. Makabu no boria. Amakwa monye bu.
Sarah. Hey. I have been such a wicked woman. God, please, I was just consumed with anger and jealousy, with hate. I didn't mean any of the things I did to her. I opened her door for mosquitoes to enter, but I didn't mean harm. Sarah, please, forgive me and come back. Ugonne, forgive me, please.
Sarah! She's around. Hi!
Sarah, please, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Hey, how did she end up here? It's a long story.
It's me, Zara. Please open the door for me.
Zara? What are you doing here at this time of the night?
It's a long story, ma. Please open the door for me.
Okay. No, give me. What happened? Oh, Chimo. Zara! Hey! Talk one. Zara! She almost died, Martha. I was so angry, that was why I didn't tell you she's with me. And I'm still wondering how she made it to my doorstep. It's a miracle,
Ahone, thank you so much. I don't even know how to thank you, but God will bless you for allowing her to stay in your place. Your kindness is confounding me, honestly.
Thank me? Oh, I'm glad she's safe and sound. And your grammar will never change.
Sarah, will you ever forgive Auntie Anokirija?
Auntie, I have nothing against you. My mom told me it's our responsibility to be kind to people when they are mean.
You have been so kind to me. Even after all I did to you, your love did not bend like crayfish. Chai! That is called unconditional love. Hey! Thank you so much, okay? You took after your mother, Ugonne.
Auntie, it is not unconditional. It is unconditional. Besides, you are not wicked. You are only very mean. And I believe you can change.
Unconditional. Hey! Alele.
Thank you very much, my child. Oh, Biko, I need your help. I want you to help me with my grammar, my behavioral.
I will be so happy to help.
Thank you so much. Oh, Biko, can I take her now?
No, why not allow her stay till evening so that she can fully regain her strength? Yes, I know you must have changed. That was why I allowed you to see her in the first place. Because my plan was to take her to stay with my sister. Yes, but if I hear or smell any rats, I know no one again over there.
I have changed. How will I want to bulldoze my life by myself? Yeah. Oh, bow. I have changed. Saramo, are you having a headache? Has she eaten?
She has.
Oh, thank you.
It's okay.
Auntie, you're here. Auntie, what are you thinking about?
A lot.
I know I'm just a child, but I might be able to help if you share your thoughts with me.
Don't worry, okay? Everything is going to be alright. Oh? How are you feeling?
I am way better. My head doesn't hurt again.
Oh, that is good. That is good. Have you eaten?
Auntie, I just ate food.
Okay. Don't hesitate to tell me what you want. Oh?
Okay, Auntie, but it's not hesitate. Say hesitate.
Hesitate.
Correct.
Ahunna. Biko, biagodi. Odurom called again.
Hope all is well.
My sister, all is not well though. Hey, I heard that Uche is getting married.
I heard so too.
Hey!
But you don't have a problem with that now. After all, you never liked him.
I like him. In fact, I love him. Hey! Oh my God, I pushed him away.
Yes, you did. You never showed any sign of likeness towards him.
What do you expect me to do now? I didn't want to be associated with a poverty man. But now I've seen that love is stronger than money. Please, Ahuna, help me. Biko.
Well, I heard from the village gossips that tomorrow is the introduction.
Hey!
Why don't you try and talk to him?
Ahuna, after all I did to him, hey, after all the bad mouth I've given him, do you think he's going to listen to me?
Trying will not kill you.
Hey.
Jegodi. Jakefi akunokba. Inugo.
Hey. Ifem kurigu. No. Hey. Bam. Hey. What am I going to do? Hey. Uche, please listen to me now, Bikon.
Mata, what is it? What is it?
Please, Uche, listen to me.
Listen to you after all the insults you threw at me. Labeling me a poverty case. Oh no.
Uche, I'm apartmently sorry for calling you a poverty man. I am.
Hold on. Did you say apartmently sorry?
Yes.
Oh, I guess you were meant to say apparently sorry. And yet you say I speak bad grammar. Can you imagine?
Uche, you are not a tum repairer. There's no way that you know how to speak good grammar. At all. But that one is no longer a problem. Oh, it doesn't matter anymore.
And you're still insulting me while apologizing.
What have I done?
Looking down on me. You need to learn how to stop looking down on people, Mata. Learn it.
But what What I just said is true now, eh?
Now, for your information, do you know I have a degree in the university? Yes, I do. When I left this village to study my mechanic work, my boss was kind enough to allow me to run a part-time program in the university.
Wait, are you trying to tell me that you're a graduate?
Yes.
Alile!
I read linguistics for your information.
Hey!
Well,
so I'm the illiterate.
Obviously you are.
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for looking down on you, Bikun.
Well, it's too late. I have a dowry payment shortly. So I'll see you later.
I'm sorry. Listen, we have not finished talking, Bikun. Uche, listen to me. I do not know now. I'm sorry.
Bye.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, Zara. How are you?
Fine, sir. It's Chizara. But how do you know my name? I've never seen you before.
You'll be surprised everyone knows your name.
How is that possible?
Don't worry, you'll find out very soon. Alright? Where is your guardian, Sharon?
She's not around. You can either come back later or leave a message with me.
In that regard, keep this envelope for her. Tell her it's from Breaking Boundaries NGO. Alright?
Please, what's your name?
My name is Mr. AGK Elemo.
Alright, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Scholarship?
An apartment in the city with 10 million naira.
Hey! Wait. Let's not rejoice too much, eh? What is happening? Why would they give you a house, scholarship, and money?
You have a point.
Hey, but what if this is true?
Then we are rich. You don't have to worry about how you're going to cater for my university education.
Hey! Zara, come. Hey! Zara, mo! Do you know, I pray that this is true. I cannot wait to see them so I can really find out if this is true. Hey, come. Zara.
Mata, well done.
Uche. Hey.
Mata.
You're welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine.
Yes.
Let me go and get a chair for you.
Don't worry, let me get it.
Okay, just go there by the door.
Alright. Oh. Yeah, I can see you're busy.
Oh yes, I'm marking notebooks. Those riffraffs are bent on driving me crazy.
Oh. I can see you're getting the pronunciation of the words right. It was almost becoming your signature.
Zara has been teaching me.
Oh. The truth is that I'm not surprised. A part of me has always believed you're a very nice person.
Thank you very much. I'm so happy to hear this. But I'm surprised to see you here because I know that you joined the matrimony yesterday. So you shouldn't be here.
I was not joining holy matrimony with anyone. How? I don't have any intention of marrying any other person than you.
Wait, I don't understand. Because everyone in this village was talking about how you and that Obiageli girl will be joining the holy matrimony.
That is not true.
Please, what happened?
After the last time you chased me out of your house, so I thought of any possible means to make you pay attention to me. What is wrong with women? I know that beneath all that harshness is softness, but she will never show it. How do I dig to that soft part? Yes, perfect plan. If she believes I am getting married to someone else and still doesn't soften up, then I will know she is not for me. But how do I get her to believe that? I think I would just tell Emeka I am getting married. I trust his smile to do the rest for me. Can you marry an Obatumtum repairer?
Yes. Yes. I don't care if you're an Obatumtum repairer anymore. I mean, it's a skill and I can even learn it.
Oh.
That's if you can teach a stubborn woman like me.
This is beautiful.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
This is beautiful.
Sarah. Good evening, Uncle Che.
Yes,
good evening, Auntie. Good evening. I'm really so happy for this day.
Oh,
Thank
yes,
you, Sarah.
you can say that again.
Can I tell you a secret?
Just tell me. My ears are open.
I still have your letter.
Oh.
Come here, Sarah.
Wow, so nice. This calls for celebration.
Yes.
Let's go inside.
Let's go in.
Like I've explained, the award that Zara won is a National Annual Award of Excellence, given to her by Breaking Boundaries NGO, and is a well-deserved one.
My dear, your award is 1 in 10,000 children. Though we sent a letter to you through Mr. Ejike here, but after reading the documentary on her activities, I decided to come and see this wonder girl myself. So that is why I'm here.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I'm ashamed to admit that I would have ended her activities myself. She's indeed a special child. And she didn't even do it with the help of any adults.
You are lucky to have her. We have also given out scholarship to all the children involved in this scheme. Yes, congratulations, Zara.
God bless you, sir. God bless you, ma. And the organization. I really feel honored.
Come here, my darling. Come here. My dear, did you know that you're nothing short of a star girl? Keep being amazing, though. Please, my dear, we better to take our leave now. We have other places to touch.
Thank you very much for coming. May God bless you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I did it, Mom. I wish you were here. I miss you very much, Mommy.
I'm sure she will be so proud of you wherever she is. Will you let Auntie Alokirija to be your mother?
You mean I can call you Mommy?
Or Ma, whatever you want.
You are not Auntie Alokirija, Mommy.
You know, some things don't matter to me. My nomenclature is one of them.
Mommy, it's nomenclature.
Hi! Alele. Isi no gini. Hi! Uyibo bukwa na agbara.
Nomenclature.
How? Nomenclature.
Yes.
How? Zara, mama, come here. Hi!
When did you come back? You look big now, city girl.
I look exactly the same. Your eyes are just playing tricks on you. came back just now and I rushed to see my best friend.
Oh, that's so nice of you. I'm coming. Sit down here. I'm so glad to see you. A lot has been happening.
I heard. Are you okay? I heard what happened to you.
Yes, I'm fine now.
So sorry I was not around.
I'm very much fine now. Have you heard about our scholarship?
Yes, I am so happy.
I feel like I'm dreaming. But wait, what if I'm still dreaming? What was that for now?
It was a proof that this is really happening. You become an ambassador and I will be a lawyer.
Yes! Yes! I'm so happy.
You made this happen, Zara.
No. We made this happen. Best friends for life.
What about your aunts?
You mean my mom?
No,
I know what you're talking about. You can call her my mom now. Although I still miss my real mom. But she left me with a second mom.
And a friend too.
Thank you, Dima, for being my friend.
Best friend for what?
Life.
Oh, da 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 da. She's an epitome of courage and wisdom higher than our age. She's a shining star. Zara is her name. Oh, she's a shining star. Zara is her name. She's an embodiment